Greetings to the viewers. I am Dr. Rajanayaki. Viewers, already I post in one video in English about diabetic. If you didn't see the video, viewers, please go see the videos. I explore so many facts in that video about Siddha medicine and the chronic disease. So actually, the chronic disease, there is no medicine in the world nowadays. There is nil medicines for the chronic problem. Actually, for the chronic problem like diabetic and hypertension, what the allopathy people say is that the patient should take the treatment till their death, lifelong treatment they have to take. So if they, in Thiruvalluvar, in Tamil, Thiruvalluvar says, if anybody take even good food also, if he takes a long period, definitely it will disturb our body. Like that, if we take a medicine for a long period, it will definitely kill our so more organs and it will create more diseases. So nowadays, more people are suffering from this. Not only the disease, they are suffering from the side effects of the medicines also. So while the chronic illness is treated by Siddha, there is no need to take the medicine for a long period, only 6 months to 1 year. They are all organs. We are not treating the single organs. They totally the body, the all organs get strength from our medicines. So today, let's go inside the video of the hypertension. Viewers, you all know that 50%, it's a shocking news that 50% of the adult affected by this diabetic, and we should know the type of the diabetes. Only they are talking about the two types. Diabetic, actually due to the diabetic and hormone imbalance and all other problems, the hypertension will occur. The next thing is, nowadays the old age, oldest time, people are not getting very old early period. But nowadays, because of the loss of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, we are not taking our food, anemia. Due to this reason, people getting very older. So due to this old age group, what happened, the blood arteries are losing the elasticity. Because of the losing elasticity, the arteries shrinking is very slowly happen. So because of this, our heart has to work hard. So because of this problem, the heart is in hypertension. What happened? The heart is shrinkage and push the blood into the arteries. That is called the systolic hypertension. In this pressure, the heart shrinks and send the blood to the arteries. This type of pressure is happen. Then another one is, again, the heart dilate. The blood come into the heart. This another pressure is happen. So these two pressure, difference between these two pressure is called nowadays hypertension, tension. So, if example, I told the hypertension happens, some other disease. Actually, if you are obesity person, when you are in 30 years, you are only 45 kg. Then your heart weight is also 300 grams, that's all. But then after 45 years or 50 years, you are increasing in weight. Your weight becomes 50 to 60 kg. But the heart weight is same 300 grams only. So the heart is very difficult to pump the blood, to send the blood to the hands and legs, to the organs distance from the heart. So it finds more difficult. This is also creates some hypertension. So actually due to the hypertension, mental stress, nowadays we are only creating our mental stress because of our unwanted things. So that is also create the hypertension. So what is the complications of the hypertension? So many complications. If the hypertension is present, definitely the heart will affected, the next the kidney will be affected, the brain will be affected. So what's the symptoms of the hypertension patient? They are having tiredness, their joints pain is occur, and that giddiness occur, their eye problem, their blurring vision. They can't see properly with the eyes, the blurring vision problem is occur. So like this, so many problems, so many tiredness, so many joint pain, giddiness, these common symptoms. Say, excessive sweating, these also the symptoms of the diabetic patient. They are all suffering from this problem. So because of these all reasons, if you are having obesity, definitely in future you may get. If you are diabetes and hypertension, both of brothers, so if you are diabetic, definitely you will get the hypertension, stress. If you live with stress, stress means not only worrying, it along that the deep sorrows and that vengeance habit, and made angry with others, these are also under the stress problem. A hormone imbalance, so many hormone imbalance, we know the thyroid problem and that male female infertility due to hormone imbalance. So due to this hormone imbalance and anemic, I told some deficiency in vitamins and minerals, these also. And the treatment in the allopathy system, they are telling that once you are become the hypertension or once you are become diabetic, you have to take the treatment lifelong. But never. In Siddha, we are not telling like that, because our treatment, Siddha, is treating the patient, not only symptomatic treatment, we are treating the root cause of the problem. So if a root cause of the problem, we have find out your root cause of the problem due to obesity or due to some digestion problem, due to some kidney problem or some hormone imbalance. So we are giving the patients for these problems also. Not only we are seeing the hypertension, we are seeing all other problems, and we are treating the disease also. The patient get full recover within 6 months to 1 year treatment. He is getting fully cured by the hypertension. So our Siddha treatment is always treating root cause. So the next thing is, we are cure hypertension permanently. No need to take the lifelong medication. So you don't worry about the medicine's side effects. Only short period, maximum 6 to 1 year. If you undergone our Siddha treatment, your hypertension will become completely normal. So our treatment basis is with medicine. We will give some herbal medicines to cure your hypertension problem, and we will teach you lifestyle modifications. Because in Siddha, Thiruvallur, everybody knows Thiruvallur. Thiruvallur is otherwise called as the Jnanavattiyan Siddhar in Tamil. He is telling some food habits to avoid the disease. What should you do? If you take food, after that you should not feel tired. I am seeing so many people, those who are affected by this chronic illness, when they take food, after they will go bed, they will take rest. When you take food, you should feel very strong and healthy. You should be active. That is only the good food. So you should know our food is get digested well. After that, you should take food. Before that, you should not take food. Before the food, improper digestion leads to more disease, exception like this diabetic and BP, more disease occur in your body. So good digestion you need. The next thing is, actually we are teaching the hypertension patients some exercise, physical exercise. With the lifestyle modification, we are treating some exercises, and we are teaching some food. Actually 5 kinds of food every day we are eating, like 5 fingers in our hand. First 3 food everybody knows, that carbohydrate and the protein diet, and third one is fat diet. Carbohydrate from our rice and our cereals, and proteins from our pulses. Then third one, fat from our oil and ghee, everything. So finally the two important food is vitamins and minerals. We are always missing these vitamins and minerals. We are going to become anemic. So due to this anemic problem, definitely we are getting more. There is no proper blood circulation in all organs inside our body. So loss of this blood circulation, insufficient of the minerals, we are getting this chronic illness. So for the chronic illness, nobody is the reason for this. Only ourselves. We should see our life, how we are living. Actually, everybody is telling for the chronic illness, instead of medicine, people need more counseling. So we are those people coming with this chronic illness. First, we are giving some counseling to educate them how to live happily without disease. So everybody knows health is wealth. So our first treasure, our treasure is wealth only, health only. So we are teaching them how to live healthy life, and each and every Tamil program I used to give some home remedies for the viewers. Those who are interested, they can do it at home, and they can get this medicine from some other medical shop in all around the world. Our only notion is to take the Siddha medicine. So I'm teaching one tablet that is called Sarvagandha tablet. In this Sarvagandha tablet, Triphala, everybody knows the English name is written here. Triphala and Sarvagandha both mixed to make into a tablet. It helps to come out from the hypertension. So if you need our help also, we will help you at any time. And our phone number is mentioned below. Okay viewers, let's see the another video. Let's see, I take leave now. Thank you viewers.